Hello everybody, the world over. This is Kokovula, your spiritualist, your great traditional healer, your world-renowned traditional healer. I'm at Coco Studios, our studio. Today's topic is about the spirits, your boy, your girl child, and the family. Yes, we are looking at spirits that get attached to your children and hinder them from putting up their life together better, as in terms of tackling their relationships, their marriages. Like if a person lived a life on earth and failed to have his own relationship working and is your family person and they've passed on, he comes as a spirit, an ancestor spirit. He gets attached to your boy, girl, child. If this person was a bachelor, did not want women, or these things did not work out, he will live the very same way, and then those signs will be seen on your child. If it's a girl, you find that there are these aunties who fail to put their lives together, but when he's attached to your child, and at the end of the day your child struggles to get married, or their life doesn't actually put up together well. And in the other means, you find that somebody who was barren could not have children of his own or her own. Now when he comes to get attached to that child, and then that thing will repeat on this child of yours, because she will be taken from that primitive spiritually. So I, as Kokovula, do rid off those spirits. We cast, we chase them, we remove them, we rid them off this person, and then we get this child of yours to have a normal life. Many people in the world have been affected by such, but some will see it as normal. But there is no such a thing, and we can't call such a thing normal. Not having children and not being attacked by some spirits in this particular manner, it's not normal, cannot be called normal. So I serve to rid off such spirits. I thank you.